Apple iOS 17.3 just added an important new safety feature called Stolen Device Protection. The iPhone security utility uses your fingerprint or Face ID to authenticate you, preventing hackers from changing all of your settings with just your lock screen passcode. We need this protection from bad guys. This will keep thieves from locking victims out of their Apple accounts, deleting their files and photos, and emptying their bank accounts by using their keychain password manager. This is an important tool from Apple to secure your iPhone. There was an article in the Wall Street Journal last year that described how criminals watch people use their login, learning that simple combination, then stealing the phone and hacking everything on it. To turn on stolen device protection, make sure you have the iOS 17.3 update installed. Then, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode and tap Turn on Protection under Stolen Device Protection. That's it. You can breathe easier.